Hi friends, in today's video we're testing no glue, no borax slime recipes. We've got hand wash, body lotion and shampoo. We're testing if any of them actually work. But first, let's make our DIY slime activator. I prepared 1 cup of boiling hot water in a measuring jug. Add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix well. Let the mixture to settle and it will become clear. Now let's get into the actual video. Our first test is hand wash. Leave a like on this video if you love slime and don't forget to subscribe. Comment your guess down below which recipe you think will work. Only add a small amount of baking soda activator into the mixture at a time, and if you need more, just add a little bit more. To be honest, this isn't looking like slime at all, so I'm gonna chuck it in the fridge and see what happens. After 1 hour, it has a sort of slime texture, so I'm gonna say it kind of works. Now for our second test, the body lotion. Don't think this one's gonna work because it doesn't have the glue-like consistency that you need. Now add in a squirt of activator, and because it's white we're gonna add some color. I wanted purple, but it always turns out like poop. So don't worry about the color, we're gonna put it in the fridge to see what it turns out like. The results. The mixture looked runny from the outside of the container, so I'm not gonna touch this one. Yuck. Didn't work. Time for the third and final slime test. I've seen so many slime recipes using shampoo, so I am really excited to see if this one works, and it smells good as well. I added red coloring to make it a pink sort of mixture, and now adding some of our DIY activator. It's looking a bit liquidy, so I did add some more shampoo. This is what it's looking like after 1 hour in the fridge. I'm gonna say, like the first one, it's kind of slime. Video of the slimes chilling in the fridge for an hour. Thanks for watching.